This introductory video to ChatGPT. Let's quickly go over some key options in the ChatGPT interface. First, look up here. This is where you can select the AI model you want to use. I am currently using the free version, therefore I am limited in options, but the paid version will have more models. Different models offer different capabilities. The latest models, like O3, are typically the most advanced and suited for complex tasks. There's also O4 Mini, which is also a reasoning model, quite powerful, but a bit smaller, cheaper. And then O3 Mini as well. This is the more typical one, 4.0. It's their flagship model. And then 4.0 Mini, which is even faster, smaller. I would summarize this by saying that depending on the task that we are doing, we are going to use different models. We don't need to be using the more advanced models all the time. We can use the faster, cheaper ones as well. O3, though, it's quite advanced in reasoning with understanding your task. Therefore, you may want to use it for more complex, advanced things. Now, let's look at other things. Down here, there's some option features that you can switch on. Search, tick this box to force ChatGPT to browse the internet for the latest information. This is handy for topics requiring up-to-date data. Then there's Reason. You can enable Reason to encourage the model to spend more time processing your request, potentially resulting in a more considered or detailed response. Perhaps now that we have newer models like O3, etc., they already have inbuilt Reason, so maybe this is not as necessary for those models, but when you're using other models like 4.0, maybe this will help. Notice as well that you can have search and reason together. Doesn't need to be one or the other. And then we also have deep research. This option prompts the model to conduct extensive research online and compile a comprehensive report on your chosen topic, usually with sources included as well, so very useful for those use cases. And I believe you already know about Create Image, where you can ask ChatGPT to create images on different things.